Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with Nandi Nyembe. Was born on the 19th of August 1950 and was a South African actress known for her biggest roles in the sports drama Zone 14 and Soul City. Mam Nandi was born in Kliptown, Johannesburg in 1950 August. She also stayed in various places like Botswana and East London, South African when she was young. Yembe has shared how she used to be cast as a maid in auditions because of the apartheid regime. In an interview with Warner Magazine, she said white women faces used to get painted black if the show needed a black lead. Like, she's been in the industry for way too long, Lo Mama Lo. She started acting, I think, 1986, and then until she started getting sick. And in September 2021, Bega actor good television series which is House of Swede, and she was killed. Ikarateke was killed, and this led to a string of false reports online ukuthi ushonile in real life, and it was not true. And Umam Nandi has a daughter, unomntana oyi-1, and she once practiced ubusangoma. She went to initiation school when she was 17 years old, and before knowing ukuthi nje uyisangoma, she suffered a serious illness as a result of being able to connect with the spirit, but only ama-spirits asestradini, abantu abashonile estradini. And umama yakhe wamisa esibhedlela eBaragwanath. At some point, ama-doctors babatesta i-urine yakhe, bebathola inhlabathi, but there was nothing wrong with her. Naye umntanakhe welwa-practice ubungoma but wayekela endleleni. And also umam Nandi in 2006, she stayed in an episode of SABC drama series Sticks and Stones. Nayikhumbula? Yeah, and then waba cast member on several TV shows, including Mzansi Magic, Isithunzi, Isibaya, The Road of Two Seasons. In 2016, she was cast in the ETV drama series Ashes to Ashes. Le movie SABC 1 ethi Buyise Ekhaya Lami. And in 2017, she joined the cast of Mzansi Magic Isithembiso Dolly. And in September 2021, the character she played at television of House of Sweet was killed. Lebe ngikhuluma ngayo laphayana. Umam Nandiyazi uphilile impilo yakhe, guys. Like, she's been an actor from way back. I-actor ku-Soul Buddies, Hillside, ama-4Play 6 Tips for Girls, #1 Ladies Detective Agency. And yeah, she lived her life, even though kwelo nalesikhathi lesi acela imali to the public, asho ukuthi ama-acting agencies awabhadalani that much, abhadala for a role oyidlalayo manje and then kuphelile. Yo guys, may her soul rest in peace. Yes, uphilile girl, uphilile.